let's clean these combs today. So what y'all need, paper towel. You know what this is. If you know, you know. And of course your barbicide, which you'll see in a little bit, but let's get to it. Alright, paper towel roll. You want to get all the hair out of, try to get all the good. So, I mean, of course, I don't want to get, but you can see it a little bit, and boom, right there. See that good? We don't want that no braino. But what I'm going to do is put it inside the water. As long as I got majority of all the hair out of there, you put it in the soapy water, let it dissolve, and then you get your handy dandy nail brush or the little brush, and then while it's in the soap, we'll scrub it out and make sure they're nice and clean. So this is the first part. Make sure you get all your palms up in there in the soapy water. Nice if it was hot water, because it starts dissolving a lot of that gel that's inside your combs and brushes. But no hair inside of the water. You don't want to contaminate nada. And I need that. Come back for a bit.